Is your home truly protected when you're away? Today's smart security cameras have revolutionized home safety with features you won't believe. From solar-powered designs to AI-powered detection, these top 5 cameras offer cutting-edge protection without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Temu 5MP high-resolution Wi-Fi outdoor security camera, perfect for comprehensive home monitoring. This camera features dual lenses for wider coverage and sharp 2K resolution that captures every detail. The pan-tilt function lets you control the viewing angle remotely through your smartphone app. Night vision ensures 24/7 monitoring, while motion detection alerts you instantly. Two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors or warn off intruders. Installation is straightforward with Wi-Fi connectivity, and the system integrates seamlessly with your smart home setup. Whether monitoring your front door, backyard, or driveway, this camera delivers reliable performance at an affordable price. For purchasing information, the product link is available in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4 is this game-changing 4K HD solar camera that eliminates charging and wiring hassles. Operating entirely on solar power, it's perfect for remote locations without electrical outlets. PTZ functionality provides pan-tilt zoom capabilities for complete viewing control. Dual lenses deliver both wide-angle and close-up views simultaneously. The 2.4G Wi-Fi ensures stable streaming to your devices. PIR motion detection reduces false alarms from trees or animals. Color night vision provides clear footage in low-light conditions, while two-way audio enables real-time communication. The app gives you full control from anywhere. This solar solution means no monthly fees, simple installation, and zero electricity costs. For purchasing details and current pricing, check the link in our description and comments section. Number 3. Moving to number 3, this 1296p FHD 3MP PTZ solar camera features AI-powered human detection. The artificial intelligence distinguishes between humans, animals, and objects, dramatically reducing false alerts. Wire-free battery design with solar charging provides true wireless freedom. PTZ control lets you pan, tilt, and zoom remotely, covering large areas with one camera. Color night vision delivers detailed footage in darkness. The 2.4G Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity, while two-way audio enables communication. Cloud storage keeps footage safe even if the camera is damaged. Weatherproof construction withstands rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. This smart camera adapts to your property's unique security needs. To upgrade your home security with AI technology, find the purchase link in the description and comments below. Number 2, securing number 2, is this impressive 4K outdoor dual-lens wireless security camera with both 2.4G and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast streaming. The 4K resolution captures sharp footage, making it easy to identify faces and license plates. Dual lenses provide panoramic views and focused monitoring simultaneously. The rotating mechanism allows 360-degree coverage, eliminating blind spots. Rainproof construction ensures reliable operation in any weather. Night vision delivers crystal-clear footage after dark. Dynamic detection identifies movement patterns, learning what's normal, and alerting you to unusual activity. Two-way calling lets you speak with delivery drivers or family members through the camera. This feels like having a professional security guard watching 24/7. Find the purchase link in the description and comments section. Number 1. Taking the number 1 spot is this incredible 2K FHD solar panel battery camera with integrated spotlight alarm. This complete security package not only records, but actively deters intruders. The built-in spotlight activates when motion is detected, illuminating the area and scaring off threats. The 2K FHD resolution ensures sharp video day and night. Solar charging with battery backup provides unlimited runtime without cables. Low-power design maximizes battery life during cloudy periods. Motion detection triggers instant phone alerts, while color night vision captures clear footage. Two-way audio lets you speak through the camera to greet guests or warn trespassers. The spotlight alarm sets this camera apart, providing active protection rather than passive recording. Wireless installation takes minutes. For the best home security investment, check the purchase link in our description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.